Which of the following has the greatest potential for compromising a user's personal privacy? So A says a group of cookies stored by the user's web browser. So this is true. A group of cookies stored by the user's web browser stores like preferences and interests and other specific information to the user. So getting this compromised would or this has the potential to compromise a user's personal data because this does record specific information about the user. So this would be compromising personal privacy. So A is likely true, but let's check the others. B says the internet protocol or IP address of the user's computer. So the IP address of a computer is just the computer's identification number when using the internet, and that's how the servers on the internet know who this computer is. Like when a computer makes a request, it puts in its identification numbers. So, but other than just being an ID number for your computer, the IP address doesn't really record any personal information. So this wouldn't really compromise personal privacy if this was, found by other people other than yourself. He says the user's email address. So obviously, an email address isn't going to compromise personal privacy because when you're sending emails and asking other people to email you, you give them your email address. Your email address is supposed to be public information. It's not something you keep hidden. D says the user's public key used for encryption. So by nature of public-private key cryptography, the public key is the key that you send to others. That's why it's called the public key. This key is known by the others. Your private key, on the other hand, is the one you keep to yourself and that you use to decrypt messages. So, yes, the public key will not really compromise user privacy, but your cookies on your web browser do because they store personal information.